In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find an Apple store near you in just 5 minutes. Whether you're planning to get your hands on the latest iPhone, need to recharge your MacBook, or perhaps want to fix a gadget, finding the closest Apple store can be quite crucial. Let's dive in and make this process super simple. First, you'll need to open the Apple Store app on your device. If you don't have it yet, don't worry. You can easily download it from the App Store. Simply open the App Store, use the search bar to find the Apple Store app, and hit download. Once that's installed, you're one step closer to your destination. Once you have the app open, look for the Stores tab. This is usually located in the bottom menu of the app interface. It's designed to help you navigate effortlessly, directing you straight to the information you need without any hassle. Now, to provide you with the most accurate results, you'll need to allow the app to access your location. This step is quite important because it will pinpoint your exact location and show the nearest available Apple stores. When prompted by a pop-up message, simply tap on Allow. Rest assured, this feature only enables the app to guide you and doesn't store your location data permanently. With your location settings correctly configured, it's time to explore. The app will now display a list of Apple stores closest to you. You'll see detailed information about each store, including their addresses, operating hours, and services offered. This can be a great way to plan your visit, ensuring you know whether they offer the specific service you need, such as technical support or product availability. Now, if you prefer not to use the app, there's another way. You can always use Apple's official website. Open your web browser and head over to apple.com retail. On this page, look for the Find a Store option. Clicking that will direct you to a search field where you can enter your city or zip code. This will generate a list of nearby stores much like the app does. Utilizing the website works seamlessly whether you're at your computer or using the browser on your phone. It's perfect for those who might not have immediate access to the app or simply prefer using a desktop. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to find an Apple store near you. Whether through the Apple Store app or the website, Apple makes sure you can find one of their locations with ease. Now you're all set to visit your nearest Apple store with confidence and ease. Thanks for joining us on this quick guide, and we hope you find your Apple Store experience smooth and rewarding.